This is Jasmine from International. Now I will show you how to use our two-loss hot filling machine. The first step was power on for this machine, and also power on. We need power on here for this conveyor. This conveyor and this filling machine is separate, so we just use this time for some match, so that the separate use this conveyor and this filling machine. Okay, filling machine the first. Okay, enter this touch screen and automatic auto tool start. Okay, and then we open this conveyor. Okay, and then put these jars on this conveyor belt. Okay, you will see this is how it's running. This is how to use automatic. Okay, we will going off.